So now what we are going to do is we are going to complete this process of cyclic form till the 10th version. That is the last version I got is what? Sorry. So the last version I got is the ETHIS B bar IS B bar TH, right? So after this particular, this is the step 1, I can say that I have completed the first step, in which I am going to do what? I am going to complete it in the cyclic rotation of the given text up till 10th position. That will be taken from 0 to 10, right? The next step we have is to sort the rotations lexicographically. So again, what I need to do is I need to make one more table or matrix in which what I'm going to do the same thing, that is 11 rows will be defined. What are these 11 rows? 0 to 10, right? So 0 to 10, when I have defined this particular, what I'm going to work with this is, now I have to form the lexicographic order. What is lexicographic order? I have to maintain here is, this is the given sequence. So let's convert it into the order. What will be the order? See, first one, I'll take the special symbols. So which is the special symbol? B bar is the special symbol. It is coming twice, but I'm going to take it one time only because this is recurring. Next one is, I don't have any other special symbol. No. Now I'll see the alphabetical order. So alphabetical order will be A, B, C, D, E. So E comes next. I'll take E. Then I have F, G, H. So again comes H. H I'll take as the next symbol. Okay. H is again done. After that, H, I is there. So I'll take I. After that, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So then comes the S. So I'll take S, right? And then comes the final T. T is again twice. I'll take it only once. So this is the lexicographical order I got from the given sequence. So I'm looking for the B bar, then E, then H, then I, then S, and then T. Now in this particular table, first table, just see here, which is the one I have the first one as B bar. Now look, which one is the B bar row which has the first position? This one, B bar as the first position, that is 4th row, and then I have one more, that is 7th row. Again B bar as the first position, right? Now these are two. How would I know which one to take first? Right? So again, I'm going to see the second symbol. Second symbol is I here, and here second symbol is T. So which one comes first? I comes first in the alphabetical order and T comes later. So I am going to take the 4th row as the first row here, 0th position. That is B bar, I, S, B bar. See this one as B bar. Then T, H, E, T, H, E, then T, H, I, S, T, H, I, S. After that, I'll take this one. So this one is B bar, T, H, E, that is B bar, T, H, E. Then I have T, H, I, S, B bar, I, S. So T, H, I, S, B bar, I, S. I'm going to keep this as the same, only the position will be changed. So I have completed the first row also. 0th row, first row. Next comes the next symbol, that is E comes the next. So I'll look for the symbol E which has the first position in any row. So 10th is the row in which E has the first position. Any other row? No, there is no other row in which E is having the first position. So I will take this particular complete sequence at the second row. So E, T, H, I, S, B bar, I, S, B bar, T, H will be entered here. After that I have H. Now see, again I'm look for the row in which H is having the first position. So I can find first row is having the H as first position, and then I have one more that is at the 9th position. So which one to take first? Move to the second alphabet, that is I, and this alphabet is E. So which one is coming earlier? E comes earlier than I. So I'll take 9th sequence, 9th order sequence at the second position. So it will be 9th order sequence at the, sorry, third position. So it will be H, E, T, H, I, S, B bar, I, S, B bar, T. So H, E, T, H, I, S, B bar, I, S, B bar, T. Next comes the next first row sequence. I'll take it at the fourth position. H, I, S, B bar, I, S, B bar, T, H, E, T. This is the one I have kept it here, right? Next one, after H, I have I. So ith, let's search for ith, that is first symbol in the row. This is the one, I, that is at the second row, and I have one more that is at 5th row, first position. So let me see which one is coming, which one is to be taken first. Second symbol S, here again S, same order. B bar, again B bar, same order. This is I and this is T. So obviously I comes earlier than T. So I'll take second one at the 5th position. Same sequence, complete. And 5th one at the 6th position. 5th one at the 6th position. That is IS B bar T H E T H I S B bar. So that is IS B bar T H E T H I S B bar. Now I'll look for next symbol, that is S. See here, S. S is having again 2 rows I have having the first position. This is S. And then I have at the 6th row also S. Again, I'll check which one to be taken first. B bar, that is second order, second symbol. Same order, B bar, I, and then T. So obviously this one will be taken at the first position. So the third position sequence will be taken to the 7th position symbol. So third position will move to the 7th position and 6th position will move to the 8th position. Same sequence as it is, right? Then I have T lastly. So T again, 2 rows are left and first position T is 0th and then the 8th. Again, I'll look further for the second one. So second one is what? H, same order. H is same order. Then I have third I. This is E. So obviously E comes first as compared to I. So the one which is at the 8th will be taken at the 9th position and the 0th sequence will be taken at the 10th position. The same sequence, right? The only thing is I'm going to change the index number. So this is what I get the next table, which is a sequence of sorted in lexicographic order. Now here the output will be what? The output will be taken as L and I, where L stands for the last symbol and I stands for this index. So last symbol is which one? Just take this particular sequence. This is the last symbol of every row in the table. So the answer will be, the output will be what? It will be S. This is equal to S, S, H, T, T, H, B bar, then I, then again I, then B bar, and then I have E, right? So this is the last symbol. And what is the index? Just check the particular index in which I get the original form of sequence. So original form of sequence was THIS S B bar I S B bar THE. That is at the 10th position now. THIS B bar IS B bar THE. So I'll take the index as 10. So this is what now, this is the output of the BWT. Now you can see this is very simple and this is a reversible form of sequence which is going to be compressed in a better and efficient manner when we have number of identical characters which are recurring, right? So this is how we do the BWT encoding. So I hope you have understood this. Thank you very much.